Hello everyone. So today we are going to use a very interesting strategy on Nifty and analyze it in depth to know the next date. Today we are going to use the Natal or birth chart strategy in the Cosmogram to find the next date. We will backtest our strategy on Nifty and check how accurate it is and the next date on which we may see a good trend in the market. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, open the Genzilla application. Here is our Genzilla application and make the following changes for our today's strategy. So for our today's strategy, we are going to use the Cosmogram. So just visible the Cosmogram from here. Choose the clockwise option. In system, we are going to use the geocentric option. In the city option, we are going to use Mumbai as we are analyzing for the Nifty chart. Today we are going to use the natal or birth chart strategy. So we are going to use the both radix and transit part. So visible both by changing it to green. Firstly, we'll change the settings in the radix part. Come to the date option. So for the Nifty chart, we are going to use the date of birth of Nifty or the day when the trading in Nifty started, which is 22 April 1996, already selected here. Then come to the planet section. In planet section, today we are going to use Jupiter. So just visible the Jupiter. No other changes in the radix part. Now come to the transit part. In transit part, we are going to use the same planet Jupiter. So just visible the Jupiter. Then come to the aspect section. In aspect section, today we are going to use opposition. Change the orb to 2 degree. Opposition means when two planets are 180 degree away from each other. Means when the distance between two planets on the zodiac circle is 180 degree. Now here you can see two Jupiters. First Jupiter and the second Jupiter. This Jupiter is of the radix part, whose position we are not going to change as it is fixed on the birth date of Nifty. And this second Jupiter is of the transit part, whose position we are going to change to find the next date. Okay, that's all about the setting part for today's strategy. What I have observed that whenever Jupiter opposition is formed in Nifty, Nifty has given good movement in the bullish direction always and its accuracy is very high. So when we go forward in the date, here you can check on the date 25th August 2025. We can see Jupiter opposition exactly at 180 degree. So we can say that a good movement in bullish direction can be seen from the 25th August date. Now let's backtest the Jupiter opposition aspect on the Nifty chart to check the accuracy. So for that we have to go back in the past. So change it to year. Let's go back in the past. Now change it to week. Yes, here you can see that exactly on the date 11th May 2014 we can see Jupiter opposition. Now let's apply this date on the Nifty chart. So open the TradingView app. Here is our TradingView app and the Nifty chart. So the date is 11th May 2014. So here you can see that on the 11th May 2014 it's holiday. So we will consider the before date, which is 9th May 2014. Let's mark it. Here you can see that the Nifty moved from 6659 to 7430, which is almost 10% movement in the Nifty on the bullish direction. So we can say it is working with very high accuracy on the Nifty chart. Let's go more back in the past to check more dates. So again open the Genzilla application. Let's go more back in the past to find the next date. Change it to year. So the date is 1st June 2002. Here you can see Jupiter opposition. Let's mark it on the TradingView app. The date is 1st June 2002. So here you can see that on the date 1st June 2002, it's holiday. So we will consider the before date, which is 31st May 2002. Mark it. Here you can see Nifty moved from the level of 1027 to 1096. Which is almost 6 to 7% movement on the bullish direction. So we can say that whenever Jupiter opposition aspect is formed in the Nifty chart, Nifty gives a good movement in the bullish direction. So we can say that from the date 25th August 2025 we can see a trend in the bullish direction because of the Jupiter opposition aspect. I hope you all liked the video and learned something new today. Like, comment and subscribe as much as possible, which will inspire me to make more such videos. Target of 1000 likes for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.